we're going to make eggplant roll-ups. And to make the fresh ricotta, it is so simple. It is a gallon of whole milk. It is vinegar and fresh lemon juice and salt. You want to take your gallon of milk and put it into a large pot. And then you want to stir it and slowly bring it up to a simmer, to about not a full rolling boil, but just a simmer. So if you follow me, here is the pot of milk that has reached a simmer. Take a look at that. Isn't that lovely? Looks like just begging to become curds and whey. So we put a little bit of salt in, not much. I made about 1/4 cup, that is half lemon juice. Want to see that? Half vinegar. Now watch this. Okay, get everything. Here comes the magic. Watch. Can you see? Look what's happening. And there's your curd. Now you want to stir it slowly, and you're going to see that the curd will start clumping together, and the whey is going to turn kind of like a yellowish greenish hue. So now if it didn't separate as quickly as it did just now as you were watching, you would just add a little bit more vinegar. The vinegar really acts as a activant to get the curd and the whey to separate, but it's the lemon juice that gives it that wonderful sweet taste. The first thing to do is you want to peel your eggplant. So the first thing we want to do is cut lengthwise. So you're going to take the first slice off, and you want it not too thin, not too thick. That's about the right thickness. And then you take the first one, go sideways. That gives you your anchor. And now you can slice. So, what do you do with them? Okay. You make an egg mixture. Just beat an egg, salt, pepper, maybe a little granulated garlic. So after frying, just keep them stored in a package similar to this, and they will harden overnight. Grated Parmesan and Romano. I cook by eye. A little bit of, this is garlic and pepper mixed together. And this you can use your own taste for. And some. Now for the filling, instead of using fresh grated Parmesan cheese, I'm using the one that we see in the market all the time. It's really a benefit because they've made this cheese with the whey. And you mix it up. I made some spaghetti sauce, which I can get you the recipe at another time. Very simple. You take your pureed tomatoes and fry up some garlic and onion in olive oil. This one has a little ground beef in it. You put a little in the bottom of the pan. And so now we start assembling the roll-ups. So you take one of the eggplant cutlet that has been already fried and cooled slightly, because otherwise it'll even go through your nice gloves here. You put it towards the center. You fold up one side, wrap it with the other, turn it wrap size down in your pan. And so you continue all the way around. And the last ingredient, which is whole milk mozzarella, which that you can buy because it's a little more complicated to make mozzarella. So now the top, you don't want to use a lot, I mean a pinch of oregano, because oregano is very, very, very strong. And there you go. This is the last step. You take the curd out, and you would have cheesecloth in here, but you would just see, look at that. Longer you wait, the more curds it makes.